Good evening, depends wherever you are. It's me, your sister, your friend, Sandy Entertainment TV. Today is another day. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, may God bless you. If you are old fans, may God bless you too. I get one story when I hear the thing touch. No, but this one I not do tafia. I know waka kurukere for inside internet, social media. I dey my house, they carry the matter, come meet me, je. My ear full, remember small me bust. Alright, before I quickly forget, this is Sandy Entertainment TV. If you have been watching me, you have not subscribed, please hit that red button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my new video. Thank you guys. To my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. I love you all for your support. Thank you guys for being there for me, for being there for your sister. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, in this YouTube channel, we use Pidgin English, correct English, but most time I use Pidgin because I love Pidgin. So that people will not stay the year, they will still understand my language, understand what I speak. This story, when I hear, they very sad. The day when I hear and it pain me, I shed tears. For real, believe me, I shed tears. One of my girlfriend, her elder sister, for this Italy, now for happen. So the story is all about this. Our lady, now mature lady, she is more than 50 years now. So she married to one white man, Italo. She married to Italian man. So when she get belle for the first time, she give birth. When she give birth to that first one, boy. So after that one, you know, say if a woman born first one, she will still want me she born join her second time. This woman fine. Belle no come. The one where she born come dey either 20 years or 21 years, if I'm not mistaken. So the boy can't do 21 years. This woman don't fine. So then she can't do 50 something years. She go call for Africa. They go bring medicine come for her. She go drink so that, you know, now those are traditional medicine. She they drink all of them so that make she for feel born join the baby, the boy. Niente, nothing. She not feel born join the baby. Not until one day we both see the medicine that still break come for her. Now the Taloma call and say, come. Make I tell you, not waste your time again. Not waste your time again. Not tell them that they carry anything come for you again. Me not go affect you. You not go feel born again. And then the woman shocked say, why you talk like that? Say she not feel born again. He say you not go feel born again because he know why. Now he do one. When we say you not feel born again. Then the woman shocked say, why the man will talk like that? So the woman shocked, say, why her husband go talk like that? Now she dressed near the man, say, why you talk like that? Say, now you do. Wetin happen? Wetin you do? So you know, say she not go feel born since. Now you not tell her when she dey carry everything come for Africa. Now the man, she come pet the man, say, abeg tell me, wetin you know about this belle when be say she no go fit born again. Now the man say, make she sit down. And she sit down, now the man start. Say, you remember that time when you born? And an operation, now she take born that time. They tell her. As you born, she already tell doctors, say, if you want born, and once they remove the baby, may they turn the womb. So, already tell doctors, may they turn the womb. So, as you born finish, now they turn the womb upside down. Now I make you not feel born again. Instantly, the woman just faint. The woman faint. Just imagine. Oyibo, Italo, if you know say you don't want pikin again, only that one now you want. We Africa, we love children. We love children. You understand? If you know say you don't tire as white as Italo man, tell the woman say you not go born again. It's better for you to arrange with the doctors when they take turn the woman womb upside down. The woman now, she don't come up for menopause. She's 50 something now. She's 50 something. She no feel born again. Okay, now, when she don't wake up for the faint, when she faints, the man they tell her say they go still go do am again. Say he go follow and go hospital. May they lose that place when they tie. Imagine that place when they don't turn her upside down. They don't tie everywhere. They don't scatter that place for 20 something years ago. Just tell me. Even though they turn them again, or they lose and they do and the way they fit do and they redo and again. Tell me how that place go fit take good again for many years ago. For many years ago. Imagine wetin white they do some of our lady. The lady go dey struggle more, and me another pikin come na lie yo. There's no way, there's nothing they can do. It don't finish. God touch that one and make that one open up to that woman. Say, see wetin he do. If not son, then with the secret, now go enter grave. They go die with that secret. The woman not go know. The woman not go know. You see, huh? You see wetin blacks they face for some white people hand. Not be all some they very nice. When we say some, in fact, this especially Italy. This Italy, they're too wicked for that kind of thing. For real, they're wicked. When we say some go born one, born to finish that place, they're not go feel use and born again. They go they imagine what it can happen. Not be this belle effect a born, but they not feel know what they happen. Imagine the pains when you put that woman now. Imagine the pains when the woman don't pass through. Imagine the money when she don't send go Africa. Imagine the kind of concussion when they don't break for Africa. Can't give her. When she don't drink for her stomach. Just imagine. As people, they wicked. If you don't need pikin, tell them say you don't need again. Then you arrange with doctors. They turn the woman womb upside down. Only that one pikin and the woman gets now. When she dey carry fall already go 21 years now. Just imagine. When I hear this story, the thing touch me, pain me, it touch me. You know, see, if me we are God, what did they for do? They for do. In fact, what did they for do? Poor people, they for not feel they buy common finger of human being. Finger when it's small pass of body. They for not feel they buy if me we are God. If me we are God, just imagine. I feel for that our year been 50 something years. I feel for her. She not feel born again, except say God stand for her. Say once they don't redo what they do, God stand for her, because now God now they give pikin. God stand for her, and I go be say she go feel born again, join that boy. If not, don't finish. So the story they very sad. It very sad. It weak me. You know, say if now before I thought they jolly since why they do it, but this one it weak me. Pikin not be waiting they take they play with person at all. Not be waiting they take they joke with person. You don't joke with any human being, with your child or with children. Anything when it concern children. No. You don't. The deed has been done. The thing already happened. So this story, now I say me I share with you now. Mona still hear what is still they happen. Not be only black they do bad. Italo, white men. In fact, white men they even wicked pass. Now I say me I share with you now. Story when I hear, but this one I don't do tafia. I don't work out for social media. I sit down my own now the story come meet me. So my lovely people, thanks for watching. I will be giving you a nice topic. Okay. I love you all. Please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sandy Entertainment TV. I love you all. May God bless you. May God bless you all the way you support me. Hit that red button and the notification bell. Please subscribe and leave your comment down below. Share with your friends so that they will learn more. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video. I love you all.